So now we begin our Irish leg of the trip, and this was the first time I got to use my Irish passport, which I was very excited about. I've only been to Northern Ireland because that's where my dad is from, so this was my first time in the Republic of Ireland. I have no idea what these statues are, but they were cool. We are on the wrong side of the car. My husband is a champion. Where is my steering wheel? We left Dublin and we're heading west to Galway, so we stopped at Birr Castle about halfway. We just wanted to see all of the castles that we possibly could. I was much happier than I look in this picture, I swear. This castle was beautiful. It was so green here, and the coolest part was they had a gigantic telescope that they say was one of the first that was actually able to see into space, which is in that little building over there. Here's a better picture of it. It was really cool. You can see that little round thing. That was the telescope. So here's me and James, and they had really cool gardens too. It wasn't anything super over the top. I feel like that's kind of how England is in comparison to France. But it was just really nice and really well groomed and just a really nice place to walk around. And I've just realized I said England, I meant Ireland. I'm getting my cities and countries confused from this trip. This was our drive. We drove to Galway, so we drove all the way across the country. And all these little towns that we drove through were just so picturesque. It was so nice. My husband fancies himself a race car driver. So we finally made it to Galway, and it's such a beautiful little coastal town. And the cool thing is there's music everywhere, inside all of the bars, but also on every corner there's somebody playing some sort of cool music.
On board a vision and followed with the will, till at last I came to anchor.
This was the far end of Galway. Like I said, it's coastal. There's all kinds of little things in every nook and cranny to see, like the Galway Girl. And also, I think this was the first Claddagh store in Ireland, I think. It's the oldest for sure, at least in Galway. This was a chocolate shop that's actually a chain in Ireland. I think it's called Butler's. I can't remember. Anyways, it was absolutely delicious. And I sprung for their hot chocolate with fresh marshmallows and whipped cream. And it was so good. Did not disappoint, but it gave me a horrible stomachache afterwards. Totally worth it. This was their mall in the middle of the city that actually has a medieval castle in the middle of it. Like a legit castle. And then this made me laugh when I zoomed in to the heads. I mean, it's called the King's Head, so I guess it makes sense. This was inside one of the pubs, and then this was the cheese shop. We actually got some fresh cheese and meat to have our lunch later in the day. This was just a little house we found when we parked to go to see this castle, and this was right before it started raining, so I'm really glad that we got a couple of pictures here because we got absolutely stuck in the rain. We were on the back side of this castle when the rain started, and then this was the rest of our drive. But luckily, after not too long, the rain stopped, which was really good because we found this church. We were able to get out, and the inside of this church was so beautiful. The floor had this amazing tile, and the walls, it just looked like an Easter egg inside. On the way to the Cliffs of Moher, we got a flat tire. Luckily, James fixed it, and we found a man in the middle of nowhere that had a tire for us. So thank you, Ireland, for helping us. Back on the road, we saw a bunch of greenery before the Cliffs of Moher. We got really lucky. The guy at the gate told us that the fog had just cleared, and about an hour before we got there, you couldn't even see a few feet in front of you. So it was very cold and very windy, but absolutely breathtaking. Photos do not do this place justice. It's just astounding how high and beautiful this is. We hiked to the other sides of the cliff, and then we had lunch that we had gotten from the cheese shop earlier in Galway. A lunch with a view, if I do say so myself. Then we headed back down to Galway. This is when we actually found the place to get the tire that we replaced ours with. And look at us, we're so stinking cute. We walked around Galway a little bit more this evening and went into a few pubs. I dare say we drank a few pints and took a few pictures. And this was the restaurant we had dinner in. It was so pretty inside. This was the bar side, which just felt kind of like an Irish pub, but the restaurant side was really nice. We had fresh baked Irish soda bread, which is kind of everywhere in Ireland, and then a really delicious roast chicken dinner, and then went outside. Unfortunately, there was no sunset because it was cloudy. Then we spent the rest of the night in pubs drinking pints. This is such a good town just to relax, get a pint, get some really good food, people watch, and see some amazingly beautiful architecture. It's also a great place for love.
Oh, you see, so,